dual voltage, service for lighting and power loads, the necessity of positive identification of the grounded phase through the system to avoid connecting meters, fuses, etc. Yung grounded. Higher line to ground voltage on two phases than in neutral grounded system. Assuming naglagay ka dito, ano ngayon ang voltahe nito? So, ito is ano ba ito? 240. So, kung naglagay ka ng measure ng voltahe dito and dito, 208 volts. Kaya pagka nagkamali ka dito, 208 volts ang lalabas, hindi 120 volts. Tunog yung load mo. Okay? Kaya critical na ito, mark ito. Para hindi mo matap ito dito. Sa load mo. Escaping interrupting capabilities of marginally applied circuit breaker because for ground fault, the interrupting duty on the effective exceeds 3-phase fault duty. So, kailangan lagyan nyo ng tamang overcurrent protective device.